it's Angela here. Today I'll be doing this really nice look with the Hourglass palette right here. It's brand new, it's limited edition. I love Hourglass, so if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click that button below, and then keep watching. So this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Mini Sculpture Unlocked. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so pretty and they're cruelty free. So they have a little bunny over here, super cute. Anyways, let me open it up. So it comes with a bronzer shade, a blush shade, and a metallic strobe light powder, and also a setting powder. So per usual, Hourglass always has this beautiful packaging that looks like this, and now they have the H on it, which I haven't seen before, so that's something new. And here it is. It's super beautiful. Blush, setting powder, highlight, and bronzer. So this is a limited edition palette, and these are new shades. I'm really excited. When I tried it once and it looked really great, but since I was going out, I figured I would do this on camera and share with you guys. So I'm going to start off with the bronzer, and I'm just going to take my little favorite fluffy brush right here, and I'm just going to dip it in here. I know a lot of people complain about the size of these a lot, but I don't have any problem with it. I mean, look at this big fluffy brush. I just put the tippy top on it, and then there's not a problem. So I'm just gonna contour with this and just put blush on, bronzer on. What I really like about Hourglass is how buildable their powders are. It's like, I don't know, if you guys have seen my other videos, you will know that I love buildable products compared to just something that's so pigmented that's like a pow punch to your face. I'm not a fan of that because it's hard to control that. So I personally prefer buildable products. So I'm just gonna build this up. I'm gonna put a little more. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Right here, we'll actually show you guys again. So I would say this would be good for, I think I feel like light skin can make this work too if you use a lighter hand. Like I said, it's very buildable. So I'm gonna tell you that this is not. This is like a satiny finish. There's a little bit of sparkle in it, but it's super subtle, which I really like that it's subtle because I do not like super sparkly bronzers. This is really, really beautiful sun-kissed color. I think it's really working for my skin tone really nicely. So if you have tan, medium skin tone like me, you could see how beautiful this looks. I'm really, really loving it. And then the one thing, I've already contoured my nose with my other bronzer. I wouldn't use this to contour my nose because the shade is not the right shade for the contouring for me, for my nose. And then plus there's a little bit of shimmer in it, and I personally don't like to use shimmer when I'm contouring. I like to use a matte bronzer. I'm just gonna put some yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with the setting powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes with it. I'm gonna use a little brush like this, and you tap it and then pack it on like this, just to set my under eye some more. The sunshine gots to go, shining on my face. So I'm just gonna set that like this. So there is a little bit of a color to this, which I like for a nice brightening effect. So here's what that looks like. The sun is killing me today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it where I usually powder. My chin, under my eyes, right by the crevices of my nose. And yeah, and sometimes I'll even put some on my eyelid. Okay, so then now I'm gonna go in with the blush, which I'm excited about this. So actually I'm gonna go in with my flat brush that I like to use. I'm just gonna tap it. So I personally love like these rosy, pretty rosy shades of blush. So I like to tap it on like this. This is so pretty. I feel like this color would be universally flattering on everyone. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna put a little on my nose. I've been adding little blush to my nose and I've been really enjoying it. I don't know why. It's just something new I've been dabbling in. And I'm just gonna blend everything out like this. You know me and my blending. Okay. I was glad that it was sunny, but I didn't know it was gonna be like beaming all up in my face because I like to do demonstrate, you know, the products, the natural lighting, because it's like the most true to color. So pretty. And then I'm gonna use the same bronzer and I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush and I'm gonna put it in my crease. Just really build it up. It's a really nice color to put in your, use it as an eyeshadow as well. So I filled it up on the top and I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this and I'm just gonna take some more of the bronzer and put it underneath my eye right here. My eye underneath right here. Okay, so I have it underneath and then I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the blush color and I'm gonna add it also to my eye. I love doing this. If you guys know me, you know I love like monochromatic looks. Sorry, I had to take my jacket off. I was getting so hot with the sun. I'm in Florida and it was a little bit cooler today, so I was gonna wear my jacket out, but it's so hot in my room. So I love doing this. I love using my blush as my eyeshadow as well. Really ties in everything. It's like my favorite thing to do. If you know me, you know me. If you know me, you know. So, you see how pretty this is looking? It's just so pretty. Try to zoom in a bit. So, so pretty. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go move on to the highlight. Yay, my favorite part. So here's the highlight and then we're gonna, so you guys know I like to Rudolph it up, like I like to say. Just look at this highlight. What the heck? It is so gorgeous. And then I'm gonna highlight right here. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. This is right up my alley. It's giving me love it. I love it. And then I'm gonna put some on my Cupid's bow right here. Okay, and then I'm also gonna take some and I'm going to put some on my inner eye right here. For the daytime. And I'm also gonna take it and put it underneath my brow bone. Here. So pretty. Here is the highlight. This is so gorgeous. Am I right or am I right? It's seriously gorgeous. I'm loving it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some lipstick and then, so I'm back with my lipstick on. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more blush because why not? So I'm gonna just use this little brush over here. I'm actually gonna mix the the bronzer and the blush and just blend it out. This is the final look. I love it. I'm obsessed with Hourglass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch these for you. So first, this is the setting powder, bronzer, blush, and highlight. And they're so creamy. So, sorry about the lighting. Here they are. They are gorgeous. I love them. What I love about Hourglass is how smooth their powders are. And they always are so smooth. It will never be chalky. It feels like butter. I'm a huge Hourglass fan. Another thing, obviously, with Hourglass is that they are cruelty-free. And Hourglass also... So this new palette, it says it's a cult favorite, returns in a curated quad with 4 shades to layer and blend for multi-dimensional radiance. And then it says it's free of sulfates, SLS, parabens, mineral oil, and all this nasty stuff that we don't want. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. So these are limited edition colors, and like I've swatched them right here, and I'm wearing it here. I think this palette is so great and versatile. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You could use it, obviously, blush, bronzer. And I just personally love Hourglass. This is not my first time that I bought Hourglass. I have this palette. I have this palette. They come out with one like every year, a new one that they come out with. This palette. I have their highlight palette that I love right here. I have this palette, which is my old favorite. And then I have like a bunch of their blushes. I have like 3 more. So I'm a huge Hourglass fan, and I will tell you, they have never failed me. Their stuff, their consistency is in their product. I love them, and if you have never tried it, this would be a good palette to try it out, because it has the bronzer, the blush, the highlight. It's a great, like, all-in-one palette if you're a first-time Hourglass buyer. So I personally will give this two thumbs up. Hourglass, you have done it again. I love it. It's just so nice, and I love that it's so buildable. Like I said, I personally love buildable products. I don't like when they're so pigmented that you can't really control, you know, what you're doing. So yeah. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, give me 2 thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.